Hello viewers, welcome to our channel English Tube. In this video, we will learn and write an easy and simple essay on the rainy season. For more such videos, consider subscribing to our channel and hit that bell icon so that you never miss an update from our channel. First line is, the rainy season is a beautiful season of the year. Second line is, it comes after the summer season. Third line is, in India, the rainy season usually begins in June and lasts till September. Fourth line is, at this time, dark clouds gather in the sky and chill winds blow. Dear audience, what is your favorite part of the rainy season? Let us know in the comment section below. Fifth line is, the rumble of thunder and flashes of lightning apprise us of the approaching rain. Sixth line is, the sound of rain is calming. Seventh line is, children enjoy playing in the rain and making paper boats. Eighth line is, people love to eat hot snacks and drink tea during rainy days. Ninth line is, it brings joy, freshness, and life to the earth. Last line is, it is truly a gift of nature.